Hi, Paul Meeks here for Worthington Products, and where am I? Or better yet, what am I standing on? I'm standing on the Boatbuster 20 floating walking debris barrier. This is one strong barrier, and I want to tell you all about it. Bear with me while I come downstairs a little bit. This thing is so rugged I need a ladder to get off of it. What is the Boatbuster 20? It's a 20-foot long heavy-duty debris barrier that features a walkway, safety railings, and debris screens underneath. Now we're showing a short unit here which only goes down 3 feet below the water level, but we can take these down 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 10 feet, and if we go below 10 feet we'll probably add some netting underneath that. This is one rugged debris barrier. If you need a system that goes on the Mississippi River, the Ohio River, or let's put it down in Africa or in South America where we need to control massive floating islands of hyacinth and floating weeds, you've come to the right place. You've come to Worthington Products. So friends, let me tell you this, if you've got a heavy duty debris problem and you need a heavy duty engineered solution, come to your friends at Worthington Products. We'd love to talk to you about your next debris control project. Thank you so much.